Welcome to your friendly marketer. Today, we're breaking down a core concept every marketer needs to know: marketing ROI. ROI stands for return on investment. In marketing, it tells you how much money you made compared to how much you spent. The basic formula is simple. Take your revenue, subtract your marketing cost, then divide that by the marketing cost. So what does a 300% ROI mean? It means that for every dollar you spent on marketing, you made $3 in return. Tracking ROI helps you see what's working. For example, if Facebook ads gave you a 500% return and email gave you 50%, you know where to spend more. Just remember, ROI isn't only about profit. It's also about making smarter decisions with your time, tools, and budget. And that's marketing ROI. Simple, powerful, and essential. Subscribe to Your Friendly Marketer for more